Today we are on making a feeder brake plate. For this we are first draw on a right plane 40 mm, 10 mm thickness. Okay, select right plane. Now select line, draw profile as like this. I am making like this. Okay, now right click, select, escape. Now select smart dimension. Okay, click two lines and make it 10. Now select this and this line and make 50, and this line and this vertical line make 40. Now this angle between these two lines is 135 degree, and these two line 10 mm, and the height will be this point to this line 25. Now height from this bottom line to this point 38. Okay, this sketch is fully defined. Now exit the sketch. Now select extrude boss and select sketch. Now from here we select mid plane and make it 60. Okay, now select extrude boss directly and select this surface for making sketch. Now select normal. Now select circle and from midpoint draw one circle. Now select convert entities. Now select OK. Select trim tool, power tool. Okay, now exit the sketch. Now reverse direction and make it 10, because the overall thickness is 10. Okay, select OK. Now basic shape is ready. Now only cutting are remaining there, so we use extrude cut. Extrude cut, directly select sketch normal. Now select circle at the center and another circle, small circle. Okay, select. Now take dimension 19 mm. Okay, now select center line, draw two center line like I am showing in this video. Okay, now press S and select dimension, and this two angle between two vertical center line is 45. Now make a slot. For making the slot, select rectangular, 3-point rectangular. Now draw rectangular like this. Now select this line, this center line and this line and make it symmetrical. Now select smart dimension. Now select these two lines and make it 11 and its width 12. 1 to 12. Okay, now select this line midpoint and there is no point, so make it point. There 1 point on above and 1 point also there for making dimension. Now select this point, 2 point and coincidence. Okay, now mirror this slot. So taking mirror command, select lines and this center line also. Now mirror line axis. Now mirror is making so many relations there, so we hide relations. Okay, now making circle dimension 6.65. okay, now it's height 9.5. Now make a square over a circle. Now select line. Make lines as I shown in video. Make vertical. Now give that height, so it's fully defined. Okay, now select trim tool, trim this and this half circle. Okay, we have fully defined sketch. Okay, then exit sketch. Okay, we require 10 mm. Okay, so we are cut one profile. Now another 2 circle is cut from on the surface. So select exclude cut and this surface directly sketch. Now select circle and make 2 circles. 1, 2. Okay, do dimension 10. Now select smart dimension. Okay, now give this 11. Okay, now select this control and country circle and make equal circle, and this horizontally aligned. Now select relationship, so we can see that. Now select dimension tools. Now give height, give it 15, and both these 2 circles are distance between this circle are 30. Now select this circle and this point and this, and height is 20. Okay, now select OK. Now exit. Okay, click OK. Now making this corner radius 6, we select fillet. Now type 6 and enter, and select this edge and this edge and select OK. Now our 3D part is ready. So how easy is that? Please share, comment your question and subscribe my channel.